What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here, and I know a lot of you guys are wanting to learn how to ride. You want to know what's going on. Why are all these people crashing? And figure this stuff out. Well, today I'm putting it back onto the crew. I've been doing these after action reviews for quite a while, and during the live streams, you guys have actually been chiming in before I can even say a word about what happened during the crash, and I find that absolutely exciting. And today is your first test. This is what we're going to be doing, guys. 17 motorcycle crashes and close calls. I will have the test instructions in the first comment and in the description of this video, and I'm going to be replying and answering and talking with the crew members in the comments. So if you want to participate, make sure you become a DDFM crew member, and we will go ahead and move on to this first one. Shit. Oh. Woo! Oh, shit.
Tom pruhu a najedeš mi se mnou.
I was pretty scared. I think the first clown from the first movie was scarier, but like the popping out scenes and all that stuff. I think that was damn. Hold on, Pop. Holy shit! It's a big ass accident right in front of me on my bike. Yeah. Holy shit. I got it all on freaking GoPro. Right on Sicklerville Road. Yeah, I'm stopping. Let me call you back.
All right, guys, we're about halfway through. Hopefully, you're naming the good skill, the skill that could use some work. And then if you want extra credit, obviously explain the whole accent as much as you possibly can. I am going to read every single comment from a YouTube member. So if you want to become a YouTube member, just click that join button or check the links that are in the description. That will point you in the right direction on what to do and how to become a crew member and participate with this. On top of that, join the Discord. It's absolutely free, and we're all hanging out in there anyways. So I'll see you in there pretty soon.
Sabía que no íbamos a ir, tío.
Saca la moto de aquí.
Sácala.
Saca la moto.
Sí, sí. ¡Hola!
Dios, está con la moto, tío.
Ayúdame.
Aguanta.
¡Hola! Vale.
El accidente, los daños son materiales y físicos, pues
Fuck, dude.
desgraçado. Ah. Ah. Tiramela su, tiramela su, tiramela su. Tiramela su, tiramela su, tiramela su, Dio caro. Ah. Tiramela su, dai figa. Ah. Tiramela su. Ah. Ah. No! Vabbè, che cazzo me. Poi non si è fatto un cazzo. Ah.
Ce la fai?
Oh, io sono a posto, raga, sto benissimo. Sto benissimo. No, tutto a posto. Oh, si è rotto qualcosa?
Tienila.
Aspetta. Ah.
Now that you made it to the end of the video, I don't care if you copy everybody else's answers in the description, but please add a little bit more. Do your own explanation. If you feel like everybody else has the right answer, go ahead and throw your 2 cents in. Remember, there's no wrong answers. The main thing here is that you're using your brain. You're becoming a smart rider. You're not one that's just accepting what's happening out there. You're actively participating in it, okay? With that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and join the Discord. I'll be seeing you there.